Hello my friends, Lucy here from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance, and we are going to do let's see, we'll use a swipe, and I'll spin it out. I'm going to use the color palette of the bloom I've been doing lately that I really love. So we're going to start out with Azo Yellow Deep. And then I have my red violet and Quin rose, half of each, to make a custom color. And then I have a metallic lavender that I custom made, and we'll use that. Just not everywhere, just here and there. Okay, now I'm going to use black oxide for my swipe color. Okay, let's do this. Let's see what pretty colors we can get. Pretty colors. A little too much lavender, I think. Let's screw it down just a little. I would have liked to see more of the orangey from the yellow and the, what would that be? Okay, maybe it was, all right, let's work with it. Let's work with what we got. What do I want to do? I might do some embellishing after I spin it out. Let's see. Okay, well, let's get it a little bit more. I have to get some more paint off. I hate to spin it too much. I lose a lot of pretty stuff. But I'm seeing some of the yellow come through to make kind of the orange. That's really nice. I like that. Let me clean my hands a little. That's pretty. Yeah, that is pretty. I don't know if I want to do too much embellishing or not. Maybe on the gray area. Because I'm not too fond of the gray. I don't like this. Let's see. There, that's better. Let me cover a little bit of this up. Let it drip down. This is gorgeous. Maybe in here. I don't want to do too much. A little bit embellishing. Okay, that's good over there. And don't really want to do a lot here, but another one there. Maybe just a little here. Yeah. That's good. Okay. Okay, I'm happy with that. And as it opens up, at first I wasn't too sure about the colors, but because too much of the lavender, but it kind of opened up and it let more, some of that yellow shows more now, and I do like that. Okay, I will let you get down for, I'll take a close-up of this. All the colors will be listed below in the video description. Well, God bless you, and I will see you in the next paint pour.